I, Principal Dr. Kirti Anil Pandey, would like to create an awareness of COVID-19. Right from the outbreak of COVID-19, it is seen that it has become a threat to the very existence of mankind. COVID-19. Lockdown is the only solution. So, in such a situation, the first thing is, as soon as you get a cold, cough or fever, immediately consult the doctor. See to it that you wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Along with this, wear a mask. At the most, try to stay indoors, and in case if you want to go outdoors, see to it that you go out only to purchase vegetables, groceries and medicines, that too in the nearby places. I tell you that it is very necessary for us to support the appeal that is being made by our Prime Minister, by the government officials, cooperate with the police force, with the health workers and the doctors. Remember one thing, that prevention is always better than cure. And also, jaan hai to jahan hai.
Friends, these are very difficult time for us, but we have to fight against corona. So it is extremely important to stay at home, to cut down the chain and to stop community transmission. So it is my humble request to you, please stay at home, wash your hands regularly, wear the mask, please keep social distancing and please follow the instructions given by government authorities.
I just want to create an awareness about COVID-19. I just want to say, keep yourself safe, be indoors, go only out for buying vegetables and groceries available nearby. Wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water. Use a mask while going outside. Don't use vehicles unnecessarily, guys. Follow rules of lockdown, and in case of symptoms of coronavirus such as cold, cough, fever, immediately visit a doctor as soon as possible. Corporates, please understand the seriousness of the situations going around and be safe. Let's pray. Prevention is better than cure.
Everyone, the India is suffering from the coronavirus. I want to say about how to save yourself and your family. Avoid participating in large gatherings. Do not go anywhere without mask. Wash your hand frequently with soap and water or use hand sanitizer. That's why stay home, you will stay safe. Support police, doctors, nurses and our India against coronavirus.
So friends, we can see that now coronavirus has spread in all over world, and now India is also affected by coronavirus. So now friends, we should take care of more of ourselves, and I am requesting you guys to please stay at home and be safe. We know that there is no medicine for coronavirus. Then what is remedy for coronavirus is that we should take care and we should stay at home. And
is world's biggest war. So please stay home, save lives and save the world. Thank you.
भारत सरकार सभी देशवासियों को कोरोना वायरस से सुरक्षित रखने के लिए कई अच्छे कदम उठा रहे हैं। ऐसे में हमें भी उनका साथ देना चाहिए। तो कैसे? अपने बचाव के कुछ आसान तरीके अपना, जैसे कि खांसते या छींकते समय अपने मुंह को रुमाल या टिश्यू पेपर से ढके, अपने आंखों और नाक और मुंह को अपने हाथों से ना छुए और भीड़ भाड़ वाली जगह से जाने से बचे। और सबसे जरूरी बात, हर समय पर 20 सेकंड तक अपने हाथों को अच्छी तरह साबुन से धोना है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हम सब मिलकर कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से रोक सकते हैं।
मैं आज एक भारतीय नागरिक के तौर पे बात कर रहा हूँ। जो भी कुछ मैंने पिछले दिनों में देखा, लोगों की भीड़, सड़कों पे घूमते हुए लोग, कर्फ्यू का पालन ना कर, ये सब देखकर मुझे ये लग रहा है कि हम इस लड़ाई को बहुत ही साधारण तरीके से देख रहे हैं। ये लड़ाई इतनी साधारण नहीं है कि जितनी हमें दिखती है। तो प्लीज़ हमारी सरकार, हमारी मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट, ये लोग बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं हमारी रक्षा करने के लिए। ये चीज़ तभी सक्सेस हो पाएगी जब हम सब लोग मिलकर भारत के नागरिक होके अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाएंगे तो
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें